Number 1. 1985 Ford F-350, price $6,500. The pickup being offered is a one-owner farm truck that has spent its entire life in Virginia serving as a horse hauler. Showing 294,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is powered by a strong diesel engine paired with the reliable C6 heavy-duty automatic transmission, finished in red with a gray interior. The truck stands out with its original Lazy Boy seats and the factory custom center folding console/seat, a feature that enhances both comfort and practicality. It has always been a non-smoker vehicle, and it comes equipped with a fifth-wheel hookup and a protective bedliner, making it ready for work or hauling. Finding a bullnose Ford in this condition is becoming increasingly difficult, especially with the rear fenders fully intact and undamaged. While the truck runs and drives well, it will require rear brake service. Overall, this F-350 represents a strong, dependable, and increasingly rare classic workhorse. Number 2. 1983 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,000. It has approximately 100,000 miles on it and comes equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in classic white with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 454 engine. The truck features a Granny Gear 4-speed setup, custom exhaust work, and a trailer brake assist system, making it ideal for hauling and towing. It is also fitted with an airbag suspension system connected to a compressor, paired with almost new Toyo tires and a fully updated suspension for improved ride quality and handling. The truck has been well maintained throughout its life. Currently, it is running on a fuel cell, as the original tanks failed during a move and were removed, with the fuel cell installed temporarily in their place. Number 3. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, finished in gray with a matching gray interior and is powered by gasoline. It is equipped with a newer 5.7 TBI engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering reliable performance on the road. The truck's front end has recently been refreshed, and it features new brakes on all 4 corners. It rides on stylish 20-inch Riddler wheels, adding a modern touch to its classic look. Inside, everything functions as it should, including heat and air conditioning. The owner regularly drives it to Chattanooga several times a week, where it runs strong with no issues. The only cosmetic flaw is some clear coat flaking on the exterior. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1984 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000. It has been well taken care of and used as a daily driver with no issues. Showing 80,000 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Both the exterior and interior are finished in brown, giving it a classic, uniform look. Under the hood, it has a freshly built motor paired with a rebuilt transmission, with only about 4,000 miles on the new setup. The truck has also received several recent upgrades, including brand new brakes all around, a new exhaust system with long tube headers, new transmission lines, and a new drive shaft. Everything functions just as it should, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking for a capable and ready-to-drive classic Chevrolet. Number 5. 1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800, equipped with an automatic transmission, an off-white exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. It features an 8-foot bed and is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine matched to an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives very well, with both the engine and transmission performing smoothly and showing no major leaks. It rides on brand new 31 by 10.5 by 15 tires all around, and the 4WD system functions exactly as it should. Mechanically, it only requires a rear wheel cylinder replacement and a new windshield wiper motor. While the exact mileage is unknown, the overall condition indicates it has been well maintained. The most significant rust can be found in the bed, with holes in the floor and beams. However, a rust-free replacement bed is available for $800. The truck is offered with a clean and clear Tennessee title in hand. Number 6. 1971 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. It has only 72,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a black interior, the truck runs on gasoline and retains its very low-mile original engine, which still runs great and drives smoothly. It has recently received a complete tune-up along with several new components, including a starter, alternator, fuel pump, brake booster, and master cylinder. Inside, the truck has been refreshed with a new seat cover, new sound deadener, and new carpet, while a new windshield and a nice stereo add to the updates. Like many classics of its age, it does show the usual rust in the door thresholds, but replacement panels are included in the box. Accompanying the truck are the original build sheet and a clean title, making it a solid and attractive choice for any classic Chevrolet enthusiast. Number 7. 1977 Ford F-150, price $5,000. It has been fitted with brand new wheels and tires, providing a fresh stance and improved road handling. Underneath, the truck features upgraded rear engine gears with Yukon components and a PosiTrack setup, giving it stronger performance and better traction. A new windshield has been installed, ensuring clear visibility, and the exhaust system has also been replaced, giving the truck a healthy sound and smooth operation. On the road, this F-150 runs great and drives well, delivering the dependable feel that made these trucks legendary. Like many classics from this era, it does have some rust, but it remains a strong example of Ford's iconic late 1970s workhorse. Number 8. 1989 Ford F-150, price $3,500, showing 97,000 miles, comes finished in blue and is powered by a 5.8 LV8, 351 Windsor, short block from a 1994 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. It runs and drives well but has a manifold air leak causing intermittent high idle, new gasket included, a cracked windshield, and a slipping driver's side power window, new motor and regulator included. The seat needs reupholstering, the headliner is missing, and the roof paint is worn. Equipped with cold AC and cruise control, the truck has also received new tires, front shocks, front bearings, and brakes, and comes with an extra set of rims. While new tie rods are recommended, replacements are already provided. Number 9. 1981 Chevrolet C10, price $8,250. It's powered by the dependable inline-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering an authentic classic truck driving experience. Finished in blue on the outside with a matching interior, it retains its vintage charm while benefiting from some tasteful upgrades. Recently, a professionally installed 4-6 drop kit with quality components was added, giving the truck a sharp stance that's complemented by 18x8 US mag wheels wrapped in brand new tires. The truck has also received a fresh fluid service and a recent oil change, ensuring it's ready to be enjoyed on the road. Comfort and functionality haven't been overlooked. Its heater works well, and the power steering operates smoothly. While there's no air conditioning, an older Pioneer radio is installed, though the door speakers are currently missing. Number 10. 1990 Ford F-150, price $3,800. It has traveled 108,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, it carries the legendary 304.9L engine, known for its durability and reliability. The truck is presented in the desirable Lariat trim, offering comfort and convenience with features such as power windows, air conditioning, and a sliding rear glass. While maintained throughout the years, it shows very little rust, though the clear coat is beginning to peel. Overall, this F-150 remains a strong and dependable example of a classic workhorse, combining practicality with the added refinements of the Lariat package.